What are you doing here?
WAN 2.6 is here, and it is uncensored.
Uncensored? Really? F off.
Trust me, this time they have really nailed it.
Wow. So should we kiss now?
Well, only if you say so.
Yes, this isn't a real scene from a movie, as you might have already guessed, but boy, it sure does look like one. But it isn't. It's all AI. This masterpiece is generated using images created with Nano Banana Pro and then turned into videos using WAN 2.6. And today, I'll show you exactly how I make it. Now, China has recently launched its much-awaited video model, WAN 2.6. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it is incredibly good. China is truly leading the open source AI race, dropping one powerful release after another. The major improvements include better physics, improved prompt adherence, and more natural sounding voices, which is extremely useful for creators. And when you pair it with a strong image generator like Nano Banana Pro, you can truly create wonders. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, the tool I used to create this video is called Atlas Cloud. I have been testing this tool for a while now, and it is incredibly powerful. It literally has all the tools in one place, and you can use them as per your convenience. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. From here, click on Explore All Models, and it will take you to this page. As you can see, it has all the models in one place. It literally has everything, from LLMs to image generators to video generators. From this side panel, you can filter tools by category, which is very useful, and you can also filter tools by company, which is equally helpful. Now, to create this video, I first generated the images and then turned them into videos. So let me show you exactly what I did. Now, I use Nano Banana Pro for the images, so let's first select text to image from here and then choose Nano Banana Pro. This is the prompt section. Now let me show you the trick I used to generate images with perfect character consistency. It's pretty simple, guys. All I did was use this single prompt. Using this prompt, you can literally create an entire sequence of scenes with the same character and style, which is honestly pretty wild. I've already made a very detailed video on this, so you can check that out if you want. And don't worry, I'll also put the prompt in the description for you guys. Now you can use it as it is. You only need to change the scene description as per your requirements. That's it. Next, you can select the resolution from here. I'll go with 2K for now. Then, if you click on additional settings, you can change the aspect ratio and image format. Finally, just click on generate, and this is what it generated. Pretty cool, isn't it? Just one prompt and a small scene description, and Nano Banana Pro created the entire scene draft. Not only that, it even generated different camera angles. Nano Banana Pro clearly understood the requirement, did a bit of research using Gemini 3, and created this masterpiece. Isn't this one of the best image generators out there, or what? I'm telling you, with the right technique, you can create absolute wonders with Nano Banana Pro. Now, obviously, I didn't get the perfect result on my first try. I had to generate it a few more times to get something I really liked. Now, you can also create more than 9 images if you want. All you need to do is change the image number from here and add a few frame numbers here as well, then click generate. And here it is. As you can see, it has now created 16 images with consistent characters and scenes. Pretty wild, isn't it? And now let me show you how you can extract each image individually. It's very simple. First, select image to image from here, and then choose the Nano Banana Pro edit option. Next, delete the default image from here and upload your own image. I've uploaded the scene sequence image. Now, in the prompt box, just write this simple prompt to extract the images individually. Make sure to mention the row and column numbers, as this is very important. Next, select the image resolution and aspect ratio, and then simply hit generate. That's all. This is how I extracted each image without losing quality. And sometimes it may mess things up, but a quick regeneration usually fixes it. Once I got all my images ready, I turned them into videos using WAN 2.6, and I also used Kling 2.6 for some clips. Let me show you exactly what I did. First, select image to video from here and then choose WAN 2.6. Now, delete the default image and upload your own image. I've uploaded this one. Next, you need to write to your prompt here. I've used a very simple prompt, as you can see. I clearly mentioned what I want the character to say, included the camera movement, and most importantly, I specified not to add any background music. This is important because otherwise every single clip comes with different background music, which I didn't want. I can always add background music later. With WAN 2.6, you can also upload your own audio if you want, which is a pretty neat feature. Next, choose the resolution and video duration. I went with 720p in 5 seconds, but you can select whatever works best for you. Then just hit generate. And here is the output.
WAN 2.6 is here, and it is uncensored.
That was simply awesome, right? The motion, the lip sync, everything blended really well. This is a significant improvement over the previous WAN model, and it's very impressive. Now, I also used Kling's latest model 2.6 for some clips. Let's select Kling 2.6 from here. Next, it's pretty much the same process. Upload your image, give clear instructions in the prompt, choose your video settings, and hit generate. And this is what it produced. This one is also awesome, right? The sound effects worked flawlessly. Kling did a really good job here. Alternatively, you can also use VO 3.1, which is available here as well. The model you use is not the most important thing. It's how you use it that really matters. If you put more effort into your idea, your prompt, and your images, everything else becomes much easier. After generating all the clips, I brought everything into CapCut, did a bit of editing, added a filter, added background music, and that was pretty much it. So there you have it, folks. Now you know how you can create cinematic masterpieces like this, and Atlas AI makes the entire process easy and convenient. Also, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll receive $1 worth of free credits to try it out, which is pretty awesome. So what are you waiting for? Go and try it now.